Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tish and you're watching Forge Nest. It's such a beautiful day today, so I decided to do some work outside. I've moved all my tools in the shed, but I didn't expect it to be such a lovely day. So behind me, it's something that needs to go to the scrap one day. It's gonna be too heavy to just lift it and put it in a van and take it to the scrap. So I'm gonna cut it on bigger pieces so two people can lift it, put it in the van and take it to the scrap. Take it. It should be give me a few pennies. I don't mind. It's just sitting here. I got nowhere else to put it. Gonna take that really gonna be just hammer and it'll be off. Yeah, Max, what do you think? Yeah, I think Max is gonna give me a hand today, or he's just gonna be sitting on my way. Come on, Max, get on top. Get on top, Max. Come on. Nah. This door will be easy to take off. Gotta cut down this tree first. And the back, this will come easy. Gotta cut the roof will be one piece, and then obviously decide what else it's gonna be on pieces, and hopefully I can just lift it, put it in the van at some point. I think I'll leave all the parts around here, and van will be easier just to back up there. Max, what you doing there? So the van will be easier just to back in, check everything on it, and take it to the scrap. I've got more scrap metal down there. Well, just gonna show you my tools. They're sitting in the shed. Actually, the shed is holding. We had a lot of rain during the week, and there's no more damage. So all my tools will be here. I'll put them on the table, and I'm not gonna do some. I decided just to put all my tools so I can see them on that wall, but it's too much energy for nothing, because as soon as we do the garage, the extension of the house, I will move everything there. No point putting extra energy in this shed at the moment. It's okay for the tools. And Max, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? Come here. Come here, Max. Max, come here. Come here. Obviously, he'd take it too serious. He wants it taken apart. So we better not wait and just start. Come on, we're gonna start now. So far so good. I'm gonna be, I presume, the floors on this car, they are completely out. So if I just cut here in the middle, that's where the gearbox is actually. Well, no, actually the gearbox will be on the back where the engine was. But if I cut somewhere here, just there, the front part will be just lift it, put it in the van. Front bumper, I don't think it will be very heavy because it's nothing left from the metal, nothing. Got a hopefully there's nothing hidden inside. And I found the old number plate. I'm not sure what year this been, but I presume it's not back in the, well, it's probably back in the 80s. There's a little stamp here. Don't know what this is. And oh yeah, here we go. Nothing hiding there. And if I cut the front part, I still don't know where to cut the middle, the back part. So it's probably going to be front part, middle part, and the engine compartment. Yeah, this way was the engine, and hopefully it'll be easier just to put it in the van. I don't get much help from Max, unfortunately. Max, why are you not helping me? Come on. So let's go. So far so good. Front part, I can probably lift it myself. The rear part, it's gonna be this whole piece. I'm gonna just take everything from inside. That's some parts from the seats. The middle part is completely gone. There's only this side frame of the car, the middle one, and the other side as well. Hopefully we can lift it in a van. I'm gonna remove first all this, so even if I have to back up the van, it'll be easier just to lift it. Or maybe my new toy is coming from, of course, from China. A lot of things are coming from China, and maybe that thing will help me. Maybe in a couple of months I will have it, and it's gonna help me a lot around the house, even for some of the trees, even for digging. Don't know how to say it, but I need a new pipe from the basement all the way out from the property. So this pond, lake, I don't know how to call it, there's a pipe there, so gotta probably dig 1.5–2 meters. I think I need 2 meters down, dig it, and all the way from the basement. You see the people before me, if that thing starts filling up a lot more, they dig another way for the water to get out. But it's completely blocked here, or maybe they never digged it, so it's just another escape to come from this part of the property. It's a bit lower, and so I'm planning that pipe to come from the basement all the way here and goes just about 5 meters from the fence, and it's downhill, so all the water can go in the forest. And probably somewhere here on the edge of the property I need to do a return valve, or I don't know how they exactly call it, and just in case I'll do it so nothing climbs in the pipe, goes back in my water. And yeah, that thing will help me, so you guys know what I need and what's coming. I've done some cleaning around here, cut down a few trees. So that's it for the car. Maybe I'll move some trees around. I'm not sure what I'm gonna exactly do now. Get it back and get all these. So guys, I want to show you this part of the property. You probably gonna see some changes I've done last weekend. I had some help moving stuff around, and I gotta move these metal, I'm not sure what to call them, don't know what actually they've been used for, and cut down this tree. I will remove this one as well. Unfortunately, I don't want to do it. I contact some people if they can move it. So from here, I want to move it somewhere down my property. And these small ones, I can do it myself. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can do them in the spring. Again, move them somewhere down so I can make a nice line, trees just outside my property maybe, Again, there's a lot of old fallen trees down. They obviously, I'm gonna just cut them and remove them and plant new trees. It will be cleaning the outside few meters, the outside property, so I can get a nice view from the house. I told you in the last video I've removed the ceilings on the second floor, and maybe you can see in the window there is the plywood, but at the moment it's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. Next month, if we get some bad weather, I'll be doing work inside. Oh yeah, here in this room, that'll be the part of the living room, hopefully. And there's a lot of stuff inside. They need to be gone, but I will need extra help. So let's do this bit here. I'm not gonna remove that. Just cut down the tree and try to take all these out. Show you how long these things have been here. The tree is grown between the net, so gotta cut the net around the tree and then cut the tree, and the net will be in the tree. Oh wow, they've been for some time. Okay, so you can see it's been a few years, and this one here as well, so I gotta get them down now. And this part it's ready. We got a metal bar here. Yeah, I'm gonna get the trimmer after that. Trim these pieces. There's a metal piece here as well. This one as well. Get them for the scrap. And I moved them here. Not sure if I'm ever gonna need them, but the metal bars it's built from, it's they're strong. Maybe I'll store them. Not gonna scrap them. Okay, Max? He's having fun around here. Lovely day. Beautiful. Here it is. I've done this bit here. Cut down the tree. Show you guys. Gonna leave this pile here. yeah, hopefully we can move this tree so we can save it. Rest of them a bit easy, but this one is bigger. And I didn't show you, my guys. I didn't show you. And I didn't show you my DIY stand for my camera. I actually had another stand for my phone before that, but this one is a lot better than the previous one. So the camera came with a stick that can screw into this bolt, and that's just holding, that's the base and holding it. It's doing the job, not too bad. Okay guys, I want to just take you around the property to see what I've done so far. It's a bit random because I've done a few bits and pieces everywhere. Done something inside, you know, clean almost everything from the inside the house. Few bits and pieces around the property as well. So we're gonna just start from the rubbish outside. What I took from inside, all this will go in the van. It's rubbish, some scrap metal as well that will be taken in the van. I've got these the beds base where you put the mattress on. I was thinking to cut them and save these metal pieces because they're really strong. This one as well, and I might do it, but it's not 100% sure that I will keep them. But anyway, this mesh will be definitely going to the scrap. This is from inside chairs. Cut the tree. This tree was somewhere here. I think it's just behind the gate here. So I'll cut it down. Got the car we've done as well. So 2 big pieces and a lot of small pieces around. This tree will go as well. I didn't show you, I've got a lamp that is on the solar panel, and it's charging from the sun and works as soon as it gets dark. If animal pass, I've got a camera as well, so that's the reason. You see I put the light on. I've got to put the camera on as well, but it works on Wi-Fi, and didn't decide yet what I'm gonna do for the Wi-Fi. Probably an old phone and a SIM card. So tires, I will keep some of them because I've got some plans to do a wall. It's gonna be down, I think it's gonna be down that way, that supports the property. So lay down them, fill them with gravel. This bit, it needs to be done. Yep. Some more scrap metal. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. This pipe, I think it's not good. Yeah, basement, you know guys, still got flood in the basement, and yeah, I forgot actually to look around for some people to give me some advice. Around here, just cut down this massive tree, and yeah, I'll leave it for now. Around here, clean most of it. Oh, I think everything, not most of it. This end of the property, well, this tree here, I left it, but will be cut down. I'll cut it down. I need to do a bit of a work around the outside. Wood for the wood burner. this will all be shred, or maybe a nice fire. This as well, bit more wood here. It's lovely if you can hear the birds, it's beautiful. Oh, the sunshine is gone, fortunately. Got more pile of the trees. Cut down more wood for the wood burner, and I've no idea why. There's a lot of scrap metal here. A lot of scrap metal. Bit more wood. These trees will go down. Already start this one. This one as well. Not sure about this one, but yeah, probably will be. I think it's sick. I think this tree is sick, and will be cut down. I don't want to even look down where the shed is. Got a plane coming. We are not far from an airport. So this end will be, I don't know, I just don't want to say anything. So far so good. Hopefully this year we'll manage to get all the necessary paperwork, get some. I know I say I'm gonna do most of the job. Well, I did say most of the jobs I'll do myself, but the actual extension of the house, the concrete that will be needed for support, will be done from professionals. The columns as well, I'll be supporting the second floor. They'll do it. I probably can lay some bricks around. We'll see. We'll see. I think that's for now. Done a few bits and pieces. I'm probably gonna do a bit more. Ooh. Maybe there's something in the woods. Oh well. Come on, Max. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Bye bye.